You just got served with divorce papers. Now what do? One wrong move could cost you everything. Here's how to fight back. Getting served with divorce papers can feel overwhelming, but what you do next will shape your future. Many people think waiting to respond would slow things down or give them more control, but the truth is, doing nothing can cost you your home, your assets, or even custody of your children. You must act to protect what matters most. Taylor was served with divorce papers, but he was so overwhelmed with the process, he chose to ignore them completely. He refused to file any responses or even show up on court dates, hoping the problem would just go away. Unfortunately, the judge was not happy with Taylor's behavior and declared him in default. This effectively granted wife everything she requested. Once he realized the gravity of losing his share of the estate, he finally called our legal team. We jumped in and quickly filed a motion to set aside the default and secured a hearing in front of that same judge. We successfully argued that it would be unfair to grant wife the entire estate, that Taylor deserved a second chance of his fair share. The court granted our motion, and with the default lifted, we were able to negotiate a fair settlement that included the property and financial resources Taylor was entitled to receive. Ultimately, our swift legal action and thorough advocacy turned the situation around, ensuring Taylor's interests were protected and helping him secure a much more favorable outcome in his divorce case. If you ignore the divorce filing, you could lose your assets, your home, and even custody. Take action today. Contact us before it's too late.